When creating a section view of an assembly, you'll find options available that did not come up when creating section views of individual parts. Creating the section view line is the same. You use the same section view icon and sketch a line through the assembly. The difference becomes apparent after completing the section line, at which point this dialog box will appear, the section scope. With the section scope, when creating a section view through an assembly, it's possible to exclude one or more components from the section cut. Here, for instance, I wish to cut through the base plate and the bracket, but not the swing arm. By clicking the swing arm, it's added to the list of components that will be excluded. Before I click OK, I'm also going to check the auto hatching option. This will cause the crosshatch lines of adjacent components to alternate direction, making it easy to tell them apart. Now I'll click OK, and click once more to locate the section view. As I zoom in, notice the swing arm has not been cut. Also notice how easy it is to tell components apart with the alternating crosshatch. If you need to change which components are cut, simply right-click on the section view and select Properties. The Section Scope tab is the same one we saw when the view was first created. I can add to the list of excluded components or take items away either by clicking on them again or by highlighting an item and pressing Delete on the keyboard.